Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Dominika and today I will show you how to make a reverse thrust in Microsoft Flight Simulator. We are gonna use a software SPAD.next for this. Why using the software and not the other settings in the sim? It's very simple. In case you have a throttle quadrant which has a detent on its physical range where you want to set idle position, and from that idle position you want to go back to reverse on the same axis without using any stupid button for activation as the hold or toggle reverse thrust button in the MSFS settings, which I don't really like. Then this is the solution for you. It's on the one single axis, no buttons needed, just the software magic. I have done a similar tutorial for MobiFlight. If you are using MobiFlight, go to check that video, the tutorial. In this case, if you are using SPAD, we will learn how to make it in this software. So over your controls, you will choose your throttle quadrant, click the axis. I have it configured it here. Basically, you go to add event, axis value changed. This is empty. I will show you over the saved one I have. So add event, add action. You will go with the standard axis event and you will choose throttle with reverser, which I have here. So in the axis configuration, you can see this is your physical range of your controller. It goes from 0, which is maximum, to 255, which will go to full reverse. And it's very simple. You will take all these options for the engines you want to operate. You go to full thrust. These settings should be unchanged, only if you want to control probably the amount of or range of your maximum thrust reverse. However, you will set your throttle in desired position. Click set. It will set you to 0, which is full forward thrust. Idle thrust, I will set it back on my idle. So if you have a throttle quadrant with a detent, or you are building your own throttle quadrant with a detent for the idle position, this is where you want to move your controller on that position. Click set, and then you go to full reverse, to basically the 0% of your physical range, and click set here. You can see the issue here with the minus 16K value, which represents in especially PMDG 737. I will show you once again. So full reverse, and the engine goes crazy. It's going beyond 105, and we are traveling back. Lovely. So probably you want to set it to a lower volume. Let's try like 4000. You can set it like manually. This is basically the volume that is sent to Flight Simulator, and this is your physical range. So we changed it to minus 4000, or what fits to your needs, whatever. Let's try it now again. You can also see the levers are now in a lower position. It goes now to 62% of thrust. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple. This is the volume you want to adjust for maximum possible reverse thrust. that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it will help you, and I wish you safe flight.